On Smart and Logical Learning Platform or any project that we handle, organize and sell means everything, because here we are not talking about selling products or equipments or gadgets or anything. We are talking about selling content, and same content can be created and formatted in n number of ways. So when we say organize and sell, we talk about, if you want a same activity to be a weekly course, you can do that. Same course you want to convert it into social format, you can do that. Same course you want to convert in a single activity, you can do that, and that too just on a click. One course is already there and you just want to take it, this course you have designed it on a weekly format, and same course you want to design it on a single activity format. Just copy and paste and then just do a little bit of tweaking. That means, converting a weekly format course into a single activity format course is going to take not more than 10 minutes for you. That's what we have done on the platform. Click, copy, paste. So we have given it most importance, like in a trainer's life, creating content and recreating it takes a lot of time. So we have taken that into consideration and we have worked extensively on this aspect, that in any given circumstance, any course, any content that you create on the platform, if you want to replicate it, it's not going to take more than 10 minutes maximum. If your course is very vast, maximum you're going to take half an hour to just replicate one course and create another variant of the same course. So that's what we talk about, organize and sell. When we talk about selling, in our tools, the tool learning management system that we offer to people, you have got all the payment options. So whether someone wants to pay with the wallet, credit card, debit card, online, net banking, all options are available. International payments are also available. So if you want to create a course and want to sell it somewhere in another continent, that is also inbuilt into it. So you need not to worry about. You just need, once you are on the platform of Smart and Logical Learning, you only need to be worried about how beautifully I can create the content and how I am going to address my participants. That's it. Rest, everything is taken care of by us. The design, the user interface, the payment gateway, the website, the server of this platform, everything is maintained by us. You need not to be worried. And for your assurance, I want to tell you that our platform is on AWS, and for India we have chosen the Mumbai data center, and we also have same content on all the data centers that Amazon has. So same content is available on almost 5 to 6 data centers across globe. So there would not be any problem at all. And we also use CDN, so content delivery network, we extensively use, and cookie system is also there in effect. So your content, you might be having users in India, at the same time you might be having users in US as well. At both the places, same content will be delivered, but someone who is accessing the content from US, their content will be delivered from US data center, not the Mumbai data center. And someone who is trying to access the content in India, their content will be delivered from the Mumbai data center, and not normally it happens like Singapore data center or Malaysia data center. No, for India we have got our data centers in India, and for all other continents we have got our data centers in all prominent data centers of the world. And we also use content delivery network tool, so your content is going to be delivered to the end user blazing fast. Don't worry about it. Before going for it, you can even check the system as well. No problem at all.